Success usually comes to those who are looking for it all the time. Hey, all, welcome back to PMP Mastery. I'm Samir, and today, once again, I'm here with you all with yet another success story. The man sitting with us is achieved PMP in very short time period, and he didn't only pass, but he did it with above target in all the domain. This person is by profession IT professional working in a reputed company having more than 17 years of experience. He's working in the IBM as an IT program manager. And I'm so glad to having him here in this session. Despite he is not feeling good today, but he has given his precious time, and I'm really glad to have him in this conversation. He is none other than Mr. Lalit Kandal Gaonkar. Mr. Lalit, this conversation I have organized just for the sake of benefits to the future aspirants. I am going to ask few three and four questions from you, and that would really needed to conclude this conversation. So,
Okay.
before moving that, I would like to hear from you about you. You can brief about yourself.
Okay. So basically, I am a programmer. I have started my career in programming, and then I've joined IBM. And the last 10 years, I was actually doing the project management. And before that, I was managing the various IT project. Even I have traveled to various countries and transition some projects. But while doing that technical work and other stuff, I was I got interest in project management, and then I moved to project management. Though I was a programmer, then technical team member, then system admin, team lead, then a manager, then something like after climbing the ladder in my technical area, then I moved to the project management, and that's the reason I thought, okay, I'll go with the PMP certification also, which was my one of the focus area I was looking for. And fortunately during COVID, I got an opportunity to continue my study for the project management, and that helped me actually. And in fact, if you know, Sameer, that in December I told that I failed my first attempt, and then I was not in a mood to give my PMP exam, because that was really shock for me that after putting so many efforts and hours, I was not able to focus on my PMP study. So then I think I met you actually on a
That's
group,
the turning
and
point.
then yes, that's the turning point. And I got to know that I was not doing the focus study. I
Mhm,
was not documenting my learnings actually, which you
mhm.
have given me as a plan, that which I was not doing. I was just doing the reading and giving some exam, which is actually not giving me a structured way to approach the exam. So that was the start point, Samir.
Great, great to know about it. So my question, based on the same conversation where you ended, how did this PMP mastery impacted on your preparation?
Good. So the moment I got the material from you, when I chose you as a mentor, then I got the material from you, what was the study material, and then the plan, how to
Yeah.
study, focused study, and the approach should be. Then I've started my, this reading in that manner only, and I think that's the key point for me. Then I got to know that how to approach, what are the questions I need to attempt first. And I think the last conversation which I had with you, that was a kind of turning point, one more turning point, because I told you, right,
I
Samir, the other
remember.
night, that yes, I totally lost my confidence that okay, tomorrow is not my day actually. Then you told me, don't worry, you just go to the
Yeah.
exam
Yes.
and just read the question at least for twice,
mm,
And that was the mantra. In fact, first five questions was really very hard. Again, I thought that no, I think this time also I'm not going to pass it. But then I recollect that Sami told me that 2 minutes, read it,
mm.
read it twice, and just think about it. And that's the way I've started reading the questions. And then question number 6 to 60, that was really, I was gaining the confidence.
Then you got
And
momentum.
then yeah, so I got a momentum. I got a break. I took the break actually. 60 minutes. You told me that, 60
Yeah.
minutes you take the break. And then 128 question also I took the break. So that's way, I got a confidence. At the 128th question, I something click in my mind that Lalit, this is the time. I think
Mm.
you're going to win it. And that 120th question, gave me a lot of confidence.
Good.
And whatever the 128 to 121 to 180 question was really, I was really happy that whatever, I'm doing or whatever I've, marked, so it is all going good. That's the really beautiful. And then the screen appear, congratulations, and I
That's
was top of
that's
the world
something
that time.
special moment for everyone.
Yeah, correct.
We hold the breathe. We
Right,
hold the
right.
breath once we
Really.
select the last question, and then we hold the breath. Even some people don't want to open the eye. They don't want to see the.
Ex- and you will not believe the center manager, he was standing behind me, and I told him, do you saw my result? It is positive. Yes, I saw your result. It is positive. Don't worry. And
People
that's the second
want to hear from
confirmation.
other. They don't believe on their eyes what they are seeing. It's happened to
Exactly. Exactly.
99% people. This is really beauty of
Exactly.
PMP. When you did a hard work, you put in lots of efforts, and once you achieve this, it's really something amazing. You feel really special.
Right.
You feel really happy, glad, and lots of energy, lots of confidence in you. So that's the really
Exactly.
beauty of the PMP. And yes, in addition to the same question, like I want to brief, like the main impact on your study was that earlier you had not a structured plan. You were doing the study, but just solving, reading, and there were no end. What you are starting, where you are ending, what you are studying, what you should more study, where you end up, and when should you book the exam. So there were no evaluation, there were no assessment, right? You're just doing
Right.
like swimming in the ocean. You never know where to go to reach to the edge of ocean, right? That was your situation. So once you came into the mentorship program, there you got the dimension of the ocean, right? This is here you
Right.
can swim to reach that side, and if you swim from this area, it is longer, and this direction may be shorter. So that is something you got that structured way, and then you started focusing on the preparation, and throughout the preparation, I know very well you kept me busy until your last trip. There are many
Right.
people in the mentorship program, but I have seen that you were the one that kept me busy, and I really happy. I never frustrated that people asking so many questions. No, I feel happy that okay, this person is really serious, and in his preparation, and I'm here to justify for what I'm accountable for. So I really happy for that. Okay, so now going ahead, let's discuss something which is going to useful for the future aspirants. Uh, in addition to the material was provided to you, I know what the materials was given to you. Did you read any additional materials? You can name those materials, and if you have solved any other questions in addition to the questions you received from the PMP Mastery, so you just name that source name also so that people can know, and if they want, they can purchase or they can
No,
collect.
no, Samir. After your mentorship, I haven't looked here and there. Whatever you have provided me the material and the questionnaire, that is the only material I referred. Because earlier, whatever a questionnaire I used to use, there was no explanation actually. I get the answer. Okay, this is the D answer for this question, but there is no explanation. So I
Oh,
forgot those, thing. I restrict myself to go again to those question or banks and whatever the dumps
mm,
because there was no explanation. So
okay.
the question bank what you have given it has all the explanation if your answer is correct or wrong, why your answer is correct because my understanding may be kind of on the base of guess or guesstimate,
Yes,
but
yes.
if I check the answer, there is a different, explanation
That's
given why your answer is correct. Then I had corrected my understanding
mm,
that yes, this is the correct understanding because in exam, this understanding will work. Whatever the understanding given or explanation given in the, your question bank. So those are the I think the question bank which I will suggest all the new aspirants to refer through because there are so many sites are there where you'll get some questions 50 questions 100 questions but there is no explanation, you will get your answer correct but
mhm.
that answer may be guesstimate, a b c d, okay my
Yeah.
answer may be wrong but let's go with
That you
that.
never know what
So
was your assumption, what was your perception
exactly,
about choosing this
exactly,
option A, B, C, D. So it
exactly,
happens sometimes that once you look into the justification, you came to know that your perception was something else, but the
right.
justification is giving other perception. So
Logic, a
there you
logical
correct.
answer.
There you
Yes,
correct yourself.
it is based on the the product project management life cycle base or either it is a kind of project cycle something like that. My
Mhm.
guesstimate was like okay this might be the reason that I need to choose this answer. So that was wrong actually. That is a purely a guesstimate answer, which might be a correct also, but that is not a correct way. You need to understand this is a initiation phase or the planning phase or execution phase. So that explanation is given in that answer because it is a execution phase. That's the reason you might be doing this activity. Okay, so that
Okay.
sort of answer gave me solid kind of foundation to prepare for my studies, and that's the mantra I'll give to the future candidate who want to go for this exam. Just uh, go with the study material whatever you are providing, and that's the only material I'll suggest because that is good for me, so I'll suggest everybody should go through that only.
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Thank you for your information. And going forward, let us deep dive into the exam experience. I know what I suggested you one day before, 2 days before, even 1 week of before the exam. After passing the exam, did you observe that whatever the strategy, whatever the routine before 1 day, before 2 days, or before 1 week, whatever the strategy you have applied, did you observe that you could have applied differently something, or whatever you applied that was a correct approach, and that might be going to be useful for the most of the people?
No, I would say that whatever strategy you have given me, that go through the mock test, continuous mock test, that is the best strategy actually. I will not ask any other strategy because mock test give you the the correct picture of your knowledge and everything, and over and above whatever the explanation given in your question bank, I think that is the perfect one. So if mock test, five mock test, it will really build your confidence, and that's what I have took my that approach that I'll do only mock test, whatever given by you, Samir,
Yeah,
and I think that helped me a lot.
great. So let me just give one breaking information about Mr. Ali, the performance on the simulator. He was getting the score on an average between 65 to 70. Am I right? In
Yes,
full mock
Samir.
test. And
Yeah.
he was so disappointed seeing his score is just 65, sometimes 62, sometimes 64, sometimes 66, 70. Very hard to reach to the 70%. And he was so disappointed. Today, he is sitting with us, managed to got three above target. See, why I'm saying it, why I'm uncovering this score of him, because people thinking that they should score 80% in the full mock test to pass the exam. That's just a myth.
Right.
Most important is you should solve the good quality questions. You should solve the good quality questions. You should not solve the questions which are freely available on the internet. You will solve 10,000 a question, but those questions are not a type of good quality of questions. Okay? Even some questions are outdated. So don't indulge in that free stuff. By investing few amounts in yourself, that will totally transform your career. Okay, that will totally transform your career. I have seen many people, they are into WhatsApp groups since 1 year 2 years, but they have not enrolled the program and they are keep solving the quizzes. They never gone for exam because they feel never ready, because they no one is there to evaluate them. No one is there to tell them, okay, now you are ready, or you should read this stuff or go with this strategy, so that their journey should be ended. But they are not ready to spend, or I can say it's not a spend, it's investment. If you are investing a small amount, it will totally transform, it will totally change your perspective in terms of preparation, and it will bring the result for you. So main aim was to explain here is that you should not believe in solving 1,000 and 10,000 and 20,000 questions. You should be not running after scoring 80% and 90% in the full mock test. Solve the good quality questions, and even if you are managed to score 65%, 70%, this person is sitting with you, he has cracked the exam. And if he has cracked the exam with 65%, 70% of the score, why can't you? Am I right, Mr. Lalit?
Yes, yes, definitely. You were telling 60 to 70%. In fact, if you remember last, previous day, it was 55%. And I was just shocked, and then I called you,
Yes,
Samir, I
yes,
want to
yes.
talk to you.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last, whatever the, talk we had, actually that gave me a lot of confidence.
Yeah.
And I think then that's the reason I had performed well, Samir. Yeah.
Okay. One more question. You are already into the good organization, a reputed company. IBM is a reputed company, multinational company. You are there working as a program manager, senior position, senior level, even above the project manager. Despite that, what things you feel that you should go for the PMP?
Okay, so Samir, I was part of your WhatsApp group. In fact, I joined in January,
Hmm.
and January I was so much disappointed because in December I had failed the exam, and
Hmm.
1 month I saw your question answer sessions, on the WhatsApp. So it gave me some kind of confidence actually when I used to go through your questions and answer and justification. So
Yes.
it clicked me actually.
Uh-huh.
That is the reason I've thought to go ahead and appear for the exam. That is the one point where I've continued my study. Yes, definitely in organization, if I want to climb the next step in that particular ladder, I need to have some certification, which is the recent one, and being a agile organization, organization going for the agile way, so it is must for me also to learn agile and have the agile readiness, in as a my professional
Hmm. Yeah.
achievement. So that's the reason I thought I'll complete my PMP certification, Samir, and I had achieved it because in April I enrolled your plan, and in July I am certified. So
So you did
I'm
it in
I'm very
60 days.
happy.
You did it in
Yes,
within 60 days.
exactly, right.
Good, good, good. So, my question is again related to the same, the answer you given. Being a program manager, why did you choose PMP? Why don't PGMP? That is already PGMP is there. Program,
Correct.
yeah.
In fact, I wanted to do that, but I thought that let's start with the PMP, and then because if you ask me right now, I'm totally occupied with my, so many projects are there running parallelly. So it is very difficult for me to again start the, PGMP study. That's the reason I thought, because I was doing the PMP study for so long. It is almost 1 year, I was studying it. So I thought I'll complete first PMP, and yes, I'll definitely, target next as a PGMP for my career path.
Good, good,
Surely.
good, good. So you have already started a year back, and then you wanted to close it. So that's the reason you
Exactly.
just continued and
Exactly.
you close it. Good, good, good. You
Exactly.
close it with the result, yes. And a piece of advice for you, that take some couple of months rest. Of course, you have occupied with the project. Of course, there is a family, so just give spare your time in that, and but don't delay more. That's my main concern. Don't delay more,
Okay.
because the momentum which you have built, since last 3 4 months, that is not the easy things. Not everyone able to build this momentum.
Sure.
So don't delay much. In 1 month, maybe 1 month, or maybe 1 or 2 month maximum, start your preparation for the PGMP or whatever you are looking for next. But the best
Okay.
thing I
Sure.
can say, PGMP is best suitable for you, being a project program manager. So, so with the same momentum, with the same energy, okay, and you will have already developed a habit, for the preparation. So that will totally be very useful for your further preparation in your further certification. So that's my piece of advice. That don't delay much. Start with
Okay.
preparation. If you are looking for the next certification, and definitely you'll be able to achieve that certification even in shorter time period.
Sure,
Perfect.
Samir. I'll definitely work on that.
Sure.
Definitely.
Let me know.
Thanks.
And
Yeah.
there is last question. Let's deep dive about some question types in the exam. How many questions you found, like new type questions, like multi-responses questions, drag and drop, some graphical questions. So, do you remember any numbers? How many numbers of questions this new type of questions you got in the exam? People
So
are more
drag and
concerned about
drop.
that.
Yes, yes. If I remember correctly, drag and drop, there were two questions.
Only two.
Then only two.
Mhm.
And that is also pair, like Tuckman. If I
Techman,
want to,
yes, yes, yes.
yeah.
Techman.
So what is the
Take the
ladder?
different approach.
Sequence. Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
So sequence of the
Sequencing
ladder,
in the
you
right
just
order. Mhm.
right order. That way you can, you have to put drag and drop it. So that sort of two questions I've got it.
Mhm.
It is not a Tuckman I've got it, but I'm just telling you that sort of question
Okay,
I've got
fine,
it.
fine. Mm.
And then there is a one question on the chart, which is the correct chart actually. It is a burn
Burn down,
down or
burn
burn
up.
up chart.
Mhm.
Yes. So that sort of, chart was there, which you have to select it. So that was one question.
Mm.
And on the EVM, there are two, three questions were there, but it does not require any calculation actually.
All right. That's just interpretation.
Yes.
Interpretation.
So if it is a CPI is so much,
More
so
than 1.1 or less
exactly.
than 1, then what would be the answer, right?
Right,
That's
right. So
just a
what will be your
simple concept.
strategy?
Yeah.
Exactly. So what will be your strategy?
Great.
So either you put additional resource or
Yeah.
whatever it is.
Great.
So
Great.
that sort of question were two, three. And
Mhm.
I would say I got a predictive approach, life cycle approach, which is the traditional one. It
Mm.
is 60-65% on that. And
Mm.
rest of the questionnaire were like 30-35%, which is on agile, uh, life
Right.
cycle.
All right. See, before you, I was talking with another person. His name is Bala Subramaniam. He told me that the question was not proportionate. Agile question was not proportionate to the predictive. Means he was saying agile question were almost 100 and rest 80 is from the predictive. In reverse, you are saying that predictive was more than agile, right?
Exactly. Right.
So people should not stick with one, idea.
No, 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 no.
You people who is watching this video, they should keep in the mind that whatever PMI is saying, that 50% and 50%, keep the same balance in your practice.
Exactly.
Keep the same balance
Right.
in your practice. Don't focus now, like if you hear Mr. Lalit, then don't focus more on the predictive and just and if you watch the video of Bala, in his he has revealed that more question belongs to the Agile. So after watching his video, if you shift your focus more on the Agile, so don't do that one. Just have the balance. Okay? Have the
Exactly.
balance in your practice. All right,
Correct.
good. Good to know that also. So did you solve all the question within the time, or you just left out
Yeah. So
with some
last 7, 8.
questions? Yeah.
Correct. Correct. So last 7, 8 minutes, I got an opportunity,
Hmm.
and once you took 2 breaks, so from 121 to 180 only, you go get the opportunity in the last session. So
Hmm.
I got an opportunity to just go refer those questionnaire, which
Hmm.
is 121 to 180. So in that 7, 8 minutes, actually, I was going through, or just had a glance. So I had corrected my one question. Okay. And then the time got over, and it automatically asked me, the time is up, please submit your, so I pressed yes, and I just waited for that message, and it
Yeah.
appeared. So I saved 7, 8 minutes, last 7, 8 minutes, and I corrected
Good,
one
good,
question.
good.
Yeah,
So you manage your time wisely. Good.
exactly.
Good, good, good.
And you
Even
you
you,
also told me, Samir, that some question might take 1 minute, or some might take 2 minute or three
yeah,
minute also. So I think that combination was there.
yes.
So that has allowed me to save some time at the end.
Good, good. It was
Thank you.
really lots of information, lots of strategy, lots of tips we are able to uncover from Mr. Lalit. And definitely, whoever is going to watch this video will be benefited from his vision, his success. And it's lots of inspiration, lots of motivation people will be getting from him. He is the person started his journey 1 year back. He is already program manager working in the IBM, even though he just put in lots of efforts doing PMP certification. There is really something great result, or I can say great outcome. Everyone is looking forward. That's why they are doing the PMP certification. And PMP certification is really demanding nowadays. It is accepted, adopting by each and every industries, regardless of which domain they are in. Good, good discussion, Mr. Lalit, and I'm really glad that I could have contributed in your success. And yes, thank you so much for giving your precious time for your sharing your lesson learned, and that this lesson learned, I'm very sure that people will be benefited from it. Thank
Thanks,
you so
Amit.
much.
Thanks for inviting me here. Thank you.
Anything you want to say to the people who is going to watch this video?
Now, I will just suggest that you should have a mentor, and if Samir is your mentor, then most of 50% of your worry is taken care. Only 50% you have to work hard and focus yourself. I would suggest have a mentor like Samir. That's all from me right now.
It really means a lot for me. Thank you for this kind words. And be in touch. Be in touch.
Thank you.
And
Yeah, sure.
people who done the PMP, they got busy in their job and other things. But try to be in touch. That we are running already ACP program, and in the future
Yeah.
we will be adding more program. So yeah, so it might be useful for
Thanks,
the
Samir.
people. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Samir. Take care.